Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Arabic with Asjad. Today we are going to explore a beautiful and interesting story. The title of this story is Safar al-Qittar, the train journey. This story is about a young boy's first ever experience of traveling by train with his family, capturing his excitement and various moments of the journey. This story is divided into three parts to make it easy for you to understand and follow along. In this video, we will cover the first part from preparing for the trip to arriving at the station, breaking down the vocabulary, sentence structures, and expressions used. This will help us understand not only the story but also improve our Arabic language skills. I have also prepared a vocabulary PDF of this lesson which you can download either from my Telegram channel or directly from my website. You will find both links in the description below. So let's get started and enjoy the journey of Safar al-Qittar. Now the unwan is Safar al-Qittar, right? Safar means traveling and al-Qittar means train. Safar al-Qittar, the tarkib would be Safar is mudaf and al-Qittar is mudaf ilayh. With mudaf and mudaf ilayh, it becomes the unwan. Okay. So La ansa safari. Okay, La ansa safari. So nasiya yansa nisyanan, it means to forget. Okay, to forget. So la ansa, I will not forget. Okay, it is the muzare form ansa, and the muzare form includes the present and the future both. So la ansa, I will not forget. I will not forget safari. Okay, safar means traveling, tour, safari, my tour, al awwal, my first tour. Okay, my first tour. Okay, alimtu anni musafirun bukratan ma'a ummi wa ikhwati. Alimtu, alima ya'lamu ilman, it means to know. I knew, I knew, it is in the past form, or you can say I found out. I found out, I came to know. Anni, an means that, and ya is I. That I, musafirun, I am a traveler, or you can say I am traveling. That I am traveling bukratan. Okay, bukratan means morning. Okay, the next morning, the next morning. Okay, alimtu anni musafirun bukratan ma'a ummi wa ikhwati. Ma means with ummi, my mother, with my mother and my brothers. Ikhwatun, the plural form of akhun. Okay, so alimtu anni musafirun bukratan ma'a ummi wa ikhwati. I found out that I am traveling the next morning with my mother and brothers. Fastayqastu, fa is harf. Okay, it means hence, or you can say so. Istayqastu, istayqaza yastayqizu, istiqazan, it means to wake up. So I woke up. I woke up qabla sahari. Okay, before the dawn. Sahar means dawn, qabl means before. Before dawn. Wabaqitu antaziru sa'ata safari. Okay, wabaqitu antaziru. Okay, I kept waiting. I kept, baqitu means I kept, and waiting Antaziru is waiting. I kept waiting. Sa'at as-safari, for the hour, or you can say for the moment of the tour. Okay, waqitu means I kept. Antaziru, waiting. I kept waiting for the moment of the tour. Wastayqaza ahlul bayti. Wastayqaza, wa and istayqaza, okay, wake up. Who wake up? Sorry, woke up. Woke up. Ahlul bayti, this is the subject, this is the file. What istayqaza ahlul bayti, family members. Okay, and the family members woke up mubakkirina, early. Okay, mubakkirina, early. So let's go to the next page. Then wasallayna subha, and salla yusalli tasliyatan, it means to pray, and we prayed the morning prayer. We prayed the morning, it means the morning prayer, right? Salah wa sallayna subha wa jaa ammi wa bada'at fil bayti harakatun wa aswatun. Wa jaa yaji'u maji'atan, it means to come. Ammi is the file, is the subject. My uncle came. Okay, wa bada'at fil bayti harakatun wa aswatun. Bada'a yabda'u bad'an, it means to start, and started in the house, harakatun wa aswatun. Haraka means movements, and aswat, noises. Okay, aswat is the plural form of sawt. Haraka, movements. Okay, so the family member, started moving here and there to pack the packages and luggages, and the noises started. Then it says that haza yajri. Haza means this person is running. Okay, or you can say one is running. Okay, yajri, jara yajri, jariyanan. Okay, jariyan, running. Wazaka yalufful firasha, and that one, yaluffu, laffa yaluffu laffan, it means to pack, to fold, and that one is folding al firash, the bedding. Okay, the bedding. Wahaza yunadi wazaka yujib. Wahaza, and this, and this person, this means this person, yunadi, is calling. Okay, wazaka yujib, and that is, what is he doing? Yujib, answering or replying. Answering, and that someone is calling and the another is replying, answering. Wal ammu yaghzabu wa yasta'jilu. Wal ammu, al ammu means the uncle, and uncle is yaghzabu, is getting angry. Okay, ghaziba yaghzabu, it means to get angry. Wayasta'jilu, wayasta'jilu. Okay, ista'jala yasta'jilu isti'jalan, it means to hurry. Okay, and hurrying. Wal walidu qa'imun ya'muru wa yanha, and the father, walid is father. Okay, qa'imun, and the father is standing. Ya'muru wa yanha, he is giving orders. Okay, giving orders. Amara ya'muru amran, okay, to give order. Nahya yanha nahyan, it means to give order in negative form. Okay, to say not to do it, to order not to do it, not to do something. And ya'mur, to order to do something. Okay, you can say giving orders. Wal walidu qa'imun ya'muru wa yanha, and the father is standing giving orders. Let's go to the next page. Wayaghzabu wayurshidu, and father is also getting angry along with giving orderings. Okay, and getting angry. Who is angry? Getting angry, father is getting angry. Wayurshid, and also giving instructions. Okay, also guiding, and guiding as well. Okay, and guiding as well. Wal khadimu yuhayyi'u zada, khadim is means servant, and the servant, the servant, yuhayyi'u, it means to prepare. Okay, the servant is preparing, azad, the provisions. Okay, azad, the provisions. Hatta kana waqtul khuruji, hatta is until. Kana waqtul khuruji min al bayt, until it was. Kana is for mazi. Okay, hatta kana, until it was the time, waqt, the time of departure. Okay, khuruj, the time of departure from the house. Okay, min, from al-bayt, house. Okay, why it is here the jar? Because min is harf jar. Okay, wa qaruba mi'adul qitari, qaruba, to come near. Okay, and mi'ad is the time, and al-qitar is the train. The time of the train came near. Okay, came near. Qaruba yaqrubu qurban. Ja'at markabatani, ja'a yaji'u maji'atan, as I said before earlier. Came, what came? Markabatani, two carriages. Okay, markabatun, carriage. Markabatane, it is the tasniya, dual form. That's why I am translating here with two carriages. Faraqibna huma, it means the markabatane. Faraqibna, we boarded them. Okay, we boarded two carriages. Okay, we got into the two carriages. Wasallamtu, sallama yusallimu tasliman, it means to give salam. Okay, and I gave salam to my father. Okay, abi, Abun means father and abi my father. فودعني ودعالي ودع يودع توديعة, it means to bid someone farewell. Okay, ودع, my father, who he bid farewell. Who is he? He is the father. Okay, my father bid me. Me means me. Bid me farewell. My father bid me farewell. Wadda, bid farewell. Ni, it me. Wada'ali, da'a yad'u du'aan. To, okay, to make dua. Wada'ali, and made dua li for me. Or just you can say prayed for me. Okay, prayed for me. وَوَصَلْنَا إِلَى الْمَحَطَّةِ. وَصَلْنَا, وَصَلَ يَصِلُ وُصُولًا, it means to reached. وَوَصَلْنَا, we reached. Okay, وَصَلْنَا إِلَى الْمَحَطَّةِ. Mahatta is the station. Ila means to the station. Okay, so let's go to the next page. فأخذ الحمالون الحوائج والمتاع. Okay, متاع, it is wrong here. فأخذ, so, or you can say therefore, or hence, أخذ الحمالون. أخذ يأخذ أخذا means to take, took. Who took? The Hammalun. Here, fa'il. Hammalun, the porters. Okay. So the porters took al-hawaija, the luggages. Okay, the luggages. Wal mata'a, and the belongings. Okay. وكانت أيام الشتاء. وكانت أيام الشتاء. And it was winter days. Okay, winter days. Ayyamu shita'in. Ayyam is days, the plural form of day, and shita is winter. Okay. Fa kanat al-furushu kabiratan. The furush means the wedding. The wedding was big. Okay, why it was? Because of kanat. Okay, فكانت الفروش كبيرة, the wedding was big. وذهب عمي فاشترى تذاكر القطار. ذهب يذهب, ذهبا, it means to go. Who goes? Ammi, my uncle went. Okay, because it is in the past form. Fashtara, ishtara, fa, and ishtara yashtari, ishtara'an means to buy, and bought tazakira. Tazakira is the plural form of tazkira, it means ticket. Okay, tazakir al-qitari, train tickets. Tazakir al-qitar. وَسَأَلْتُ أَمِّي عَنِ النَّوْلِ. Sa'ala yas'alu su'alan, it means to ask, and I asked my uncle. It is the maf'ul. Okay, it is maf'ul, and ta is the fa'il, and sala is the fi'l, fa'il, maf'ul. It is the jumla fi'liya, the verbal sentence. Okay, ani naul, a naul means fare, about the fare. So I asked my uncle about the fare, what is the fare of the ticket. Faqala, so he said, so he said, qala yaqulu qawlan, it means to say. Faqala inna nawla salasu rubiyatin. Indeed, inna means indeed, indeed the fare is, how much is the fare? Salasu rubiyatin. Salas means three. Rubiyat is the plural form of rubiyatun. Rupees, 3 rupees. Wa rubiyatun wa nisful lak, and 1.5. 1.5 rupees lak, for you. Lam means for and ka means you. Okay, zamir muttasil. Kaf is the zamir muttasil and it becomes the majrur of the harf jar lam. Okay, warubiyatun wa nisful lak, and 1.5 rupees for you, because you are not adult, you are a child. So the fare, the null of yours is rubiyatun wa nisf, 1.5. Okay, we just stop here. Hope you understood the story till here. If you want to know about any words or any sentence, you have any confusion with it, just write in the comment section. And if you have benefited from this video, just hit the like button and join with our channel community. So this is enough for today. We will meet inshallah in the next video with the second part.